The kitchen has evolved from a purely functional space into a centerpiece of the home, where culinary creativity meets social interaction and self-expression. Over the years, interior design has moved towards creating spaces that reflect personal style while maintaining efficiency and comfort. The kitchen of 2025 embodies this evolution, embracing a bold fusion of colors, earthy warmth, and a thoughtful layering of materials. Designers are shifting away from stark minimalism and uniformity, instead opting for eclectic combinations that introduce depth, character, and a sense of individuality. This trend redefines the kitchen as not just a place for meal preparation, but a space where storytelling and artistry take shape through design. Here's how you can upgrade your kitchen interior in 2025 by embracing bold colors, natural tones, and mixed materials. Embracing bold colors for a striking statement. The modern kitchen is stepping away from traditional white and neutral palettes, embracing color as a powerful design tool that transforms the atmosphere. Deep, saturated hues such as cobalt blue, forest green, and aubergine are taking center stage, lending sophistication and drama to cabinetry and feature walls. These rich tones create a sense of depth and luxury, often paired with softer, complementary shades to maintain harmony. In contrast, vibrant hues like mustard yellow, burnt orange, and terracotta inject energy and personality into the space, offering a warm and inviting appeal. The key to successfully integrating bold colors is in the careful balance with lighter, neutral elements, ensuring that the space remains cohesive rather than overwhelming. A growing trend is the use of dual-tone cabinetry, where lower cabinets feature darker, grounding colors while upper cabinetry and walls remain in softer, airier hues, providing both contrast and visual relief. Earthy tones for a warm and grounded atmosphere. As bold colors take the spotlight, earthy tones provide a counterbalance, infusing warmth and tranquility into the kitchen environment. Inspired by nature, hues such as warm taupe, clay, sienna, sand, and olive green create a soothing and organic feel. These tones are particularly effective in fostering a connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the feeling of serenity and relaxation. Natural wood finishes in walnut, oak, and ash add an organic, tactile quality, further reinforcing the grounding effect of earthy colors. The interplay between these shades allows for a timeless design that feels both modern and enduring. In 2025, designers are incorporating these tones through cabinetry finishes, natural stone countertops, handcrafted clay tiles, and textured backsplashes. This return to nature-inspired aesthetics aligns with the growing preference for sustainable and eco-conscious design choices, ensuring that the beauty of the kitchen is not only visually appealing, but also environmentally responsible. The art of mixing materials for depth and texture. The era of uniformity is giving way to a more dynamic, layered approach to kitchen design, where the intentional mixing of materials creates visual intrigue and a curated, collected over time feel. Instead of relying on a single material for countertops, backsplashes, or cabinetry, homeowners are embracing the art of contrast, combining sleek and rustic, smooth and rough, matte and glossy finishes to create a multi-dimensional aesthetic. Marble countertops with dramatic veining stand out against natural wood cabinetry, while polished concrete islands introduce an industrial edge when juxtaposed with handmade ceramic tiles. High-gloss lacquered cabinetry provides a striking contrast to honed stone backsplashes, and matte black metal fixtures add a contemporary touch to warm, textured woods. The key to achieving a cohesive look lies in the careful selection of finishes that complement each other while allowing individual elements to shine. This mix-and-match approach ensures that no two kitchens look alike, celebrating uniqueness and personal taste. Statement fixtures and accents as focal points. Beyond color and material choices, the integration of statement fixtures and accents plays a crucial role in defining the kitchen's character. Oversized pendant lights with sculptural forms act as both functional lighting and artistic elements, drawing the eye and creating focal points above kitchen islands. The rise of bespoke hardware choices, such as brushed brass, antique bronze, and hand-forged iron, adds an extra layer of detail and craftsmanship, making even the smallest elements of the kitchen feel considered and refined. Waterfall edge countertops with striking stone veining serve as show-stopping features, while intricate mosaic backsplashes introduce patterns and textures that elevate the overall design. Open shelving, often crafted from reclaimed wood or metal, provides both practical storage and an opportunity to display curated collections of dishware, glassware, and decorative objects. These carefully chosen accents contribute to a kitchen that feels curated rather than cookie-cutter, with each element thoughtfully placed to enhance the overall aesthetic. Harmonizing functionality with style. While aesthetics play a significant role in shaping kitchen design trends, functionality remains at the core of every well-designed space. The kitchen of 2025 seamlessly integrates smart storage solutions, ergonomic layouts, and cutting-edge appliances that enhance convenience and efficiency. Custom cabinetry is designed with hidden compartments, maximizing storage while maintaining a clean and streamlined appearance. Multifunctional islands serve as a hub for cooking, dining, and socializing, often incorporating built-in seating, prep sinks, or wine storage. Open shelving, once purely decorative, now serves a practical purpose by offering easy access to everyday essentials while maintaining an airy, spacious feel. Technology is also playing a crucial role in enhancing functionality, with touchless faucets, voice-activated lighting, and smart refrigerators that provide inventory tracking and meal planning assistance. These innovations ensure that the modern kitchen is not only visually appealing, but also highly adaptable to the evolving needs of homeowners. The future of kitchen design, a reflection of individuality. As kitchen design continues to evolve, one thing remains clear: personalization is at the heart of every trend. The rigid design norms of the past are giving way to spaces that reflect the unique personalities and lifestyles of those who inhabit them. Whether through bold color choices, earthy and natural textures, or a masterful mix of materials, kitchens in 2025 are designed to be lived in, enjoyed, and admired. The emphasis on individuality extends beyond just aesthetics. It is about creating a space that feels both deeply personal and highly functional. The use of sustainable and locally sourced materials is becoming increasingly popular as homeowners prioritize designs that are both beautiful and responsible. The fusion of tradition and innovation, warmth and modernity, comfort and sophistication defines the kitchens of today and sets the stage for the future of interior design. By embracing bold colors, earthy tones, and mixed materials, the kitchen becomes more than just a place to cook. It transforms into an expression of artistry, creativity, and personal identity.